Welcome back. Goa is ready to take up small energy-saving projects in the state. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar was speaking at the chapter's conclave by IIT BAA Global Alumni Business Forum. He was speaking on exploring energy frontiers.
With certain other initiatives, I think Goa is ready to take up any manufacturing of also this kind of small project. Because energy saved is energy created. Slowly are we moving towards the American concept of having one car per member of the country. Okay, you can own a car, but using it for a use where you can actually share it, probably adds up to wastage of energy. One important aspect is the public transport. We have got hills, Western Ghats, we have got Himalayas, lot of water flows down the line. Why can't we harness all these? According to a very rough estimate, if we really work on a low intensity, low size, which does not require much of an environment clearances, like 1 megawatt, 2 megawatt type of generating using hydroelectricity, the country can in next 3 years add anywhere up to 30,000 megawatt power to the grid. And probably this power will come at a place where it is consumed. And the third one, which are under-exploited or under-explored, which has a potential to grow at a very fast rate. India belongs to the third category, maybe because of lack of vision by many of the earlier governments. We didn't explore the capacity of our own hydrocarbon fields that probably put us in a slightly advantageous position as far as hydrocarbon is concerned.
The High Court has once again refused to grant any interim relief in dual citizenship matter. The High Court has directed Goa government to first withdraw its related revision petition from the Panji District and Sessions Court. Government is seeking quashing of the Panji JMFC Court directing Crime Branch to register FIR against those Goans who have registered their births in Portuguese registry and are posted on different government and constitutional posts in Goa.
The single bench of the High Court on Thursday once again refused to grant any interim relief against the order of the Panji GMFC Court in dual citizenship matter. The High Court directed state government to first withdraw its related revision petition from the Panji Session Court.
The single bench has rejected again the stay and told them to withdraw the revision which is pending in the Sessions Court. And then only it will be heard on it by the single bench on Wednesday at 2:30.
Goa government's revision petition is pending before the Session Court and government has filed a writ petition before the single bench of the High Court. But the main complainant and petitioner Kashinath Shetty has challenged the jurisdiction of the single bench to hear this matter and filed petition before the division bench.
I have filed my objection saying that it cannot be heard by the single judge. It should be heard because it is an administrative order. It should be heard by the division bench.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Disappointed family of late Antonio Fernandez has finally claimed his body to perform his last rites. Antonio had gone missing on 4th April this year from Vashi. 1 month later, his body was found in a suitcase in Mapsa area. Goa police has failed to crack this murder mystery so far. Family of Antonio is alleging that police is not taking the case seriously.
Finally, the soul of late Antonio Fernandez rested in peace. The Fernandez family on Saturday claimed his body from the morgue of the GMC and performed his last rites.
It's almost we are in 6 months. We want to do the last rites of the body because we feel like nothing is happening, and if this thing goes on dragging like this, people, my family also, they feel bad about it.
On 4th April, Antonio Fernandez left his home on his usual time to his office at Wanchim, but he never returned. His family lodged a missing complaint with Old Goa police. Later, Antonio's scooter was found abandoned in Perne area. After almost 1 month, his body was found packed in suitcase in highly decomposed state at Duler Mapsa.
4th April he was missing. 4th April to 5th May we got the body. We filed a police complaint and everything. And missing time also the case was not moving very fast the way it's supposed to be.
After wait of almost 4 months, DNA report confirmed that unrecognizable body is of Antonio Fernandez. On 1st September, Antonio's family was informed by MAPSA police that the body found in the suitcase is indeed of Antonio. Antonio's family is hurt by the inaction and incompetence of the Goa police, but maintaining silence because they fear it may leave Goa police unhappy.
Police from all angles, they say they are investigating the case. But what investigation they are doing or where they reach, we don't know anything. But they say they are doing the investigation. Since now we are in the 6th month, we feel like it's neglected.
SP of North Goa Priyanka Kashyap admitted that they have failed to nab the culprit so far, but she claimed that police has some lead, but they are not able to zero down on a particular suspect due to lack of corroborative evidence. Reporter Mukesh Kumar and video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.